What's the meaning of Congregationalist? Congregationalist. Congregationalist.
Congregationalist. Congregationalist. Congregationalist refers to a form of Protestant Christianity in which each individual congregation is autonomous and responsible for its own governance. This means that there is no hierarchical structure where a central authority governs all congregations. Instead, each individual congregation makes its own decisions regarding matters such as worship style, leadership, and finances. Congregationalists value the role of the community in making these decisions and believe in a democratic approach to church governance. The term Congregationalist can also refer to a member of a Congregationalist church or denomination.